Welcome to Simplicity Health Plans. I am Dr. Gregory J. Hummer, the CEO and founder. I created Simplicity Health Plans in an effort to help you improve your health and wealth. Your employer has asked Simplicity to assist your company in arranging a new kind of health plan that will allow you to benefit from staying as healthy as you can. The healthier you are, the more you save. You can save tens of thousands of dollars in a very short time. We'll show you how. This plan allows you to actually save tax dollars. Dollars that would have been paid to Uncle Sam, and you can save them into your health savings account. You can then use those dollars, if required, to pay for many types of health care needs within your deductible. Remember, this health plan pays a certain amount for preventive care which is not counted against your deductible. In other words, it is cash to get your preventive care. Our welcome letter talks about 3 major points concerning your health and how to get cost-effective medical care and prescriptions. We tell you how to use the primary pharmacy mail order company to save up to 60 to 80% off your medications. You have a choice of up to 3 mail order companies. Information about our primary mail order and the secondary mail order, Partners RX, can be found when you sign on to your Simplicity homepage. The 3rd mail order is through the People's Health Express, but you will have this option only if your employer has chosen to purchase this optional discount pack. We believe that the best deal is the primary mail order option, but check all 3 for pricing. We introduce you to our physician telephonic consult service, which gives you 24/7 telephonic access to a doctor. And last, the physician brochure. It's the brochure that you need to bring with you to the doctor so that they can understand how to bill you. You will receive 2 identical medical cards. Each card contains up to 8 dependents. If there are more than a total of 8 dependents covered in your household, you will receive a second set of cards. This medical card is also your prescription drug card. Since this is a high deductible plan, make sure that your doctor knows that you or your employer will be paying this bill directly and that your employer is self-funded. Remember, it's your money that you're spending most of the time, so make it last and save as much as you can. I'm a doctor, and I am letting you know that it is okay to ask your doctor for a discount. 10 to 15%. Your doctor is more apt to give you a discount since it's you paying for the service instead of a big insurance company. Now he is giving you a break. The back of your card tells the doctor's billing clerk how to submit a claim on the web. It is the most efficient way and saves you and your doctor a lot of money. Try to make sure that the doctor's staff understands this. In fact, later in this introduction, you will see that we have provided to you a step-by-step brochure for your doctor. In case they don't have access to the web, there is an address to submit a hard copy claim. There is also a logo for the PPO that covers your health plan. The PPO is important, since doctors that accept the PPO cannot balance bill you. The Simplicity system offers the provider a fair price on your behalf that in many cases saves you considerable money. Why would the provider take your offer? Because Simplicity pays him direct to his bank account in usually 5 to 7 business days without ever having to bill you, and that saves your doctor a lot of time and money. So don't be shy. Ask your doctor for a discount. It's your money paying the bill below the deductible. Every time you get a discount or the doctor takes what Simplicity offers, your HSA bank account grows. Preventive health is important. Your employer has agreed to pay a set amount each year for preventive health checkups, blood tests, child visits, Pap tests, mammograms, etc. Your plan will pay for these up to the limit without using your HSA account savings. Your employer pays for them, so use these services wisely. Your plan only pays for these services if your doctor bills them correctly. That's why we provide you with the billing codes on these cards. The doctor's office knows what these codes are. Make sure that if you go in for preventive care, that you bring this card with you. Show it to the doctor and the billing clerk. If the right codes are not used, then you will end up paying for these charges from your HSA account. Look at the descriptions on these cards to get an idea of what is essentially free care paid for by your employer up to the limit stated on the card. Now that we're talking about preventive care, I can't say enough about the importance of the enclosed health guide. For the last 30 years, Americans have been led astray by faulty nutritional information and by myths. This could be the most important 10 pages you will ever read. It's short and to the point. Find out what's going wrong with American health habits. This book can turn your life around and save you health and money. Your health guide was written by a doctor and a nurse who are both well educated in healthcare and wellness. Read it and make sure if you have a spouse, he or she reads it too. If you have children, make sure that they understand what's in the guide. Do you know that 70% of visits to the doctor can be handled over the telephone? Your health plan provides you the ability to call a physician 24/7 to discuss any health matter. No matter where you are, just call. It's free, no charge. The enclosed booklet will give you all the information that you need to contact the telephonic physician. If your employer purchased the full discount pack and the physician calls in a prescription for you, there is no charge. If you don't have the full discount pack, then there is a charge of only $38 for calling in your prescription, but no charge for just discussing your problem or getting advice from the doctor. Provider brochure is very important. Simplicity uses the web to eliminate all paper bills and cost for both you and the doctor. Your doctor gets paid fast for a discount. He doesn't have to spend a lot of time and money billing you for what you owe. So, simplicity is new, and as we all know, with all things that are new, it takes some time getting used to the new method. However, a recent study performed for the American Medical Association shows that doctors overwhelmingly approve the Simplicity payment system. Be sure to insist that your doctor's office use the web to submit your claim. If not, then please have your doctor's office call Simplicity so that we can assist them with submitting your bill correctly. Remember though, if your doctor doesn't take the price that Simplicity offers, then your doctor can submit your bill through the standard PPO process. Make sure that your doctor is on the PPO plan. You can go to the website, sign in, and search for any doctor in your area to see if they are on the PPO. Just click on the PPO drop-down link, select your PPO, then follow the search instructions to find a doctor in your area that is on the PPO. Your PPO is noted on the back of your medical card. In addition to your health guide, the next most important document in your welcome packet is the health plan document. If your employer supplied Simplicity with your email address, then this document has been emailed to you. Otherwise, your health plan document is included in your new member pack. Your health plan document explains to you what is covered and what is not covered. Read it carefully before you use your health plan benefits. All inpatient and outpatient procedures need to be pre-authorized. Call the telephone number on the card to get pre-authorization. Pre-authorization is required in order to have your plan pay for the procedure. If you are having an MRI, CAT scan, or other X-ray procedure, and it's not an emergency, then you must have that procedure done at a freestanding, non-hospital-owned center. Call the pre-authorization number on the back of your card to find out where to go for these procedures. Simplicity also has a medical travel program. Medical travel allows you to travel to a center of excellence for usually a fixed low fee to have your procedure or surgery performed. It usually includes travel expenses for a spouse. Don't overlook this valuable feature. The Simplicity Health Plan's website is your own personal portal to a variety of health benefit tools, resources, and programs, all literally at your fingertips. Once you log on to the Simplicity website, you will be able to view your claims information, learn how your health savings account works, view your health savings account transactions, and so much more. Your employer will be providing you with a variety of communications and promotions to help you understand your new health benefits. Look for posters, flyers, and other communications. In addition, you can log on to YouTube. Type in Simplicity Health Plans and enjoy a 12-part educational series that will teach you about the evolution of healthcare, healthcare savings accounts, and Simplicity Health Plans. If your employer purchased our discount program, you will have access to a variety of additional healthcare services. With prescription drugs and People's Express, including mail order, you can save up to 10 to 85%. With Aetna Dental Care, 15 to 50%. With vision care and ophthalmology, including LASIK eye surgery, up to 10 to 60%. Other savings include Beltone True hearing aids, mail order contact lenses, and Dermastore.com. With Simplicity, using your benefit is so simple. You simply walk into your physician's office or pharmacy, show your medical card, receive treatment or your prescription, and walk out. It's a cashless and cardless transaction. So, on behalf of Simplicity Health Plans, we welcome you.